Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you're talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK areas. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we don't find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, despite how it might look, this is the type of unity we may talk about in the dancehall music and reggae music. Reggae and dancehall united at the same focus. And Protoje make a statement, viewers and subscribers, which I agree with, and also did Vybz Kartel. Now, Protoje said this handout mentality is one of the biggest problems in the music business. He said, no, actually, the whole country, everybody want a bus and wouldn't even know what to do with it when them get it. Enough people as well them that say get the bus and fall off, because getting notoriety does not mean that you have actually accomplished superstardom. It just means that people are pay attention to you and your musical endeavors. Now, what will you do with that spotlight if you actually lack creativity and lack talent? You don't know. Now, him say them now work on craft, just a work on who can bust them. Some real Tomatis about artists. Yes, viewers and subscribers, I will know a whole heap of artists in the reggae and dancehall industry. Majority, wouldn't even say mostly one genre as opposed to another one, because they are fakes in both genres, viewers and subscribers. There are people who focus not on the craft itself, not on making themselves better artists, but more who can help them reach to that person the level. Not looking at the fact that these are artists who have actually put in the work. Vybz Kartel said, viewers and subscribers, Killer and Kartel bust the most artists. Me 100% agree with that in a dancehall music right now. Look around you. Go anywhere where you can stream or listen dancehall music and look at the artists who are in the industry right now. Who helped them artists to reach the prominence? For the majority of them, are Killer and Vybz Kartel. And him say them still a say we bad mind. That's why never one of them say an artist like Vybz Kartel bad mind. Or an artist like Bounty Killer, who actually use for them spotlight their career to help out another artist and their career. Me not understand. Vybz Kartel say yes, I catches them Protoje. Make them go fight it on them own and drop out of the industry. Viewers and subscribers are simple to see it. If the teacher did not mention some artists, and when we say mention, would they even mean mention a song? Just by some simple statements, them career would have fizzled out of the industry already. Now, this statement from Protoje follows a statement from Vybz Kartel himself, in which Vybz Kartel say, what you know? You see, for right now, we are focused on we youth them. Big up Sika. Him say Sika in other situation to same way. Him say, no, so we youth them. Nobody feel like so we left out Sika rhymes at the VP. Big up Little Vybz and big up Little Addy. Little Vybz have a track on the wheel right now. I'm not going to start about the flow. You see the cadence of the track, the way the track sound mixed and mastered. Yo, Little Vybz, I'm not gonna go around here. Little Addy was definitely the artist where, when it comes to lyrical content and him cadence on the beat, I just say, alright, Little Addy have a certain cadence, so I feel like the people are gonna gravitate to a certain way. But Little Vybz, you also show me say, you have the same flow and cadence too. And the greatest thing, you don't sound like one another. I don't sound like Vybz Kartel, but can't decide the tone. Young Kings, no go and do nothing. Viewers and subscribers in the dancehall music in this day and age, I realize that people are focusing less and less on the craft of doing music. They are not even linking with the producers and engineers who can mix their songs properly. What they do right now is make a song, make a video, put it on YouTube, get the song now, sign with these other people who like stream movies and things like that. Have them songs added to that. And that before people watch the movie or whatever them watch, a 30-second after them songs play and them get that view and them song trend and them have it say alright, them popping them. But that's not the industry. That is a way to get notoriety. Now, after you have gotten that notoriety, what will you do with it? That's why more have some artists where I say, yo, them artists are at what they are. What them they know? Them lack substance. Them lack creativity, viewers and subscribers. And then enough of them artists and want actually put in the work and wait them turn. Then what them do is talk negatively about other artists who have actually waited, put in the work and accomplished greatness. That's what them are trying to do. Them are trying to say, oh, other artists there, bust the artists there. No. Vybz Kartel and Killer help the most artists in the dancehall industry. But look at this perspective. How much of these artists that Bounty help is actually doing music today? Same thing for Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel help a whole heap of artists, and all of them still do music on a certain level today. You know what that say? You still have to have creativity, talent and drive for yourself. You still have to have that within you for make the right moves. Tommy Lee Sparta, Popcorn, even Vanessa Bling. Just to name a few, you know. Just to name a few. We still a record music and still do them thing. Even Rhino do him thing. And it is not for me to say nothing negative about Rhino. It is not for me to say that. It is not my place to do that. Know what I mean? But we have put that into perspective. A good amount of the artists them have Vybz Kartel help still at the music today. That speak to their drive, their effort. Same thing for Bounty Killer. Vybz Kartel are the biggest artist Bounty Killer about. There's no doubt about that. And not just me I say it. Yes, I am saying that statement. But Bounty Killer himself said that. And from Bounty said that, you can't tell me say me wrong. Because from me said that, that is how I felt. And then Bounty go say, yes, that's true. Then who are you for tell me say, yo, my statement wrong and Bounty say so? And the truth, that's just the fact of the matter. But Bounty also had some of the biggest names of the game as well. Talk no man. We must say Monster Shot them, Ellie them. Talk no man. Move them. My barber. Say dog bring barber out there. That foot I bring him and go say, yo, my general a barber this. You see me? I'm bound to say, yo, teacher, at the barber this. We want to get in the industry. Woke up a song there. And the teacher give him some song. Tell him a star over there. Bound to help some of the biggest names of the game as well. Just like how Vybz Kartel help some of the biggest names. And still at the same time remain as one of the biggest names in the game as well. Some people feel like say if they help out another artist in the game, it's going to take it from you. And then now, because some artists have actually helped other artists, it kind of develop a handout mentality in the game where people feel like say, alright, just by getting that cosign from that person would put me at that spot. And it is true for many artists. It will get you that listenership. Meaning say, your song will be playing and people will stop to hear what you have to say because you're featured with one of the biggest names in the music industry. So people wonder, who is this new artist being featured with the likes of this giant in the game? And people will listen to you. But after them hear that song now, them are listening out for the single with just you alone. You know? Don't get it twisted. We are listening out for just hear the song with you alone. They hear what you have to bring to the dancehall table. And for majority of artists in the dancehall music who have gotten that cosign, who you not see them no more, they lack that level of creativity or substance within itself. And they know what them talk about? Them sit down and talk about who boss who and who can help who boss and who better for boss other. Listen to me. In a dancehall music, in any genre of music, you can get helped by anybody. But without you having that creativity and that push for the music itself, it will not work. We can bring you to the lake. We can bring you to the river. But where you going to do this? We can't help you no further. We can't help you no further. You can teach somebody of hunt and gather. Will they choose to hunt and gather? That is up to them. That is simply up to them. Them need to let go the handout mentality in a dancehall music and know say you work hard for your craft. Big up Wîcked King right now in recovery. We tell we say nobody na help him boss. Him doing music them, link up with us the vloggers and simply put in the work and see the Wîcked King became a name in the dancehall music. Every major tabloid locally has interviewed Wîcked King. Him not get no co-sign from nobody. Him never signed to no record label and he's still not signed the end that I know of. I do it indie. I make it. Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. I do it independent as well. Him signed to himself, I him own record label. Independent music, I put it out there. Just pointing that out. But I said the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content, as soon as fresh content is uploaded, and made available for you, right here on the platform. The like icon there as well, you know. From a like we drop a like on the blog, in truth, the share icon is also in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them, check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion, and also the comment section is there. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, you have to point that out. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there. You wanna up move setting spam, and we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is gonna live, love and prosper until we reason again.